Hello guys, good morning. So today I'm going to do a vlog. So it's going to be a vlog plus a Q&A video after such a long time. And I'm going to Kolkata. I have to pick Kathika and we have to go to Kolkata. We have some work in the evening, so we are going. And it's very hot outside. Still. So see you there. Bye. Hi guys, there we are going right now. See you there. Hello, so finally we have arrived here, and as I've already told, I'm going to do a vlog today. So first I thought only to cover the Q&A video in this video, but then she insisted me to do a vlog. And if you're one of my regular viewers, then you must have noticed that I don't do too many of vlogs. Done one or two vlogs, but this time again she insisted me to do a vlog. I don't know why.
Because I feel that you need to do vlogs more than you do.
Personally I don't like vlogs, but it's okay. I'm going to do a vlog today, so yeah. Let's start with our Q&A first.
So, what is the first thing that comes in your mind in the morning when you wake up?
So today Kathika is reading out all the questions. She's helping me out. So the first thing that I do when I wake up is I am a kind of person who wakes up to have tea. Like I am a tea lover. So yeah, you can understand from that. And also healthy version of advice that you can do when you wake up is that just feel grateful for the things you have and don't be too much hard on yourself for the things that you can't have or you don't have. And also grateful for the things that you have achieved so far, and especially be grateful because you are safe today in this COVID situations, or you can be a tea addicted person like me.
So, the next question is, who is the living woman you admire the most?
So this is a very nice question. So the living woman I admire the most is Dishona Barber. She is an American beauty pageant title holder and also a motivational speaker. And I'm so fond of her. I don't know you guys know her or not. If you don't, then just go and follow her on Instagram. She gives a really
Oh my
motivational-
god, she is a celebrity. You don't need to promote her.
I know, but sometimes, when I wake up in the morning and I see this motivational, quotes and all, I feel so nice. So that's why I'm telling everybody to just follow. Anyways, guys, she is as I have already told, she is a beauty pageant title holder of America. The thing that happened, why I'm attracted towards her is that she didn't win the pageant in just one go. She tried, like for 5 consecutive years she tried, she failed. But in the 6th year, she finally made it, and I just love the consistency and also the passion, how passionate she was and how determined she was, and she had a lot of patience. So that is what I loved about her, and I'm so fond of her. So yeah, that's your answer. Alexa, question number 3.
So, any funny incidents experienced during shoot?
Okay, so that incident was really very funny. So I was doing this Durga Puja shoot. There was me, my sister, and Tiger Dada, my videographer, and we were doing this shoot. What happened was there was this really old man passing by, and he passed many times. So the second time he interrupted and he said in Bengali that I was looking beautiful. Okay, for the third time he again came, and he came with a rose this time and used the 3-letter words, and he said I love you. And I was shocked.
Really?
Hey! Oh my god. And then Tiger Dada, he teased me for a week. And even now, if someone looks me that way, he predicts that someone again will do that thing. And oh, that was really very funny. And everyone, like my sister, she was laughing that why? How? What happened? Oh my god, so yeah.
So, a old man proposed you?
Shut up. Old man told me.
Oh my god. The first thing you would do once you get back to Mumbai?
So the first thing that I would do once I get back to Mumbai is that I really have to collect some important documents and assignments from my college. So I'll just grab those and I'll grab an auto and directly go to Versova beach and stay there for hours. I'll enjoy my own time. I'll enjoy. That's
And what next?
What next? Khana. Food, man. Vada pav, pav bhaji and what not. I'm dying to eat those. I'm so much waiting.
Okay, stop. You are not allowed to go now to Mumbai, so don't even think of it.
Guys, you know what? Who asked this question? No one else. Athika. And if I'm not allowed to think about it, then why do you ask this question?
You posted on social media, so I'm allowed to do.
Katika.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. My Alexa went. Purvina, ask you a question? So the next question is, when did I last went for shopping? So the last time I went for shopping is we only went together to Goria Haat, and that time Choitro sale was going on. So Choitro sale in Kolkata is really very famous. So we were shopping, and we were shopping there, and the collections was really nice, and we found a stall in which the clothes were there for just ₹30. Can you believe this? But the quality of the product was also really nice, and she found a denim kurti from there.
And what you not got? You got a shorts, a denim shorts.
Yeah, it was really
fabric
nice.
was really good.
Yeah. It was really nice. Means for 30 rupees you're getting. Oh, it was really
What
nice.
not in
Yeah,
of Chaitra sale.
exactly. So Goria Haat is really nice. You can go if you like street shopping. You also can go and check it out. So
Like people.
people were crazy. People were just diving in and just going inside and
Girls like
searching
us,
for.
and why shouldn't we do that? So, it was a nice experience doing that. It was fun actually.
It was basically fun. We explored so much that day.
And we just dived in, and there was আর বেশি ছিল না যা ভালো দেখতে পছন্দ হয়নি actually, but that too was definitely good.
Yeah, I felt that there was also the stall selling everything for 500, 200, 150, but this 30 wala was, they were attracting us so much. Like, shop, মানে ভালো জিনিস মানে ওখানেই ছিল.
Of course,
Really
it
nice.
must be like this.
Okay, so the next one is, you people ask me a lot that how do I edit my pictures, my Instagram pictures. So guys, I have said this so many times, so again I'm repeating this. I use apps like Snow. Basically I use Snow and sometimes also Snapseed, but I don't need anything else to edit my Instagram pictures. Nowadays I don't edit it also. I just post it like that only. So yeah, she edits more better than me. I just give it to her and she edits from Snapchat and gives it to me.
Snapseed. And in short,
Why did I use Snapchat? Oh my god, I'm gone.
do not install Snapchat.
That's a bakwas thing. All filter wala things and all, she uses Snapchat.
No, I don't use.
Yeah,
I used to do chat with some friends. I give stories over
You
Snapchat
give
sometimes.
selfies using filters to me sometimes. Yo.
Dog filters. Yo.
1 hour later.
We had our lunch now and I'm back for the shoot, and as you can see I'm wearing a mask. Wearing a mask now is very essential, guys. Also keep sanitizing your hands because it's better to keep precautions and be safe because of the current situations of COVID. So take your own responsibilities and also don't infect others. So yeah. Also the place is vacant now. People are not there. So I'm wearing a mask because I need to communicate with you guys. I hope you understand.
So your next question is, have you ever loved at the wrong moment and later realized that you shouldn't do?
Of course. Like I remember a time when we had this PMGC class in college, and our class was from 9 to 2, and we have this only 5-minute ka break in which we are allowed to have whatever we for lunch, and only 5-minute ka break, and in which we were basically 10 minutes late. So we were late, and then ma'am didn't allow us to enter the class, and some of my friends were standing outside the door, and they managed to convince ma'am to let us in. But when ma'am was about to tell that okay, come inside, I laughed. And then ma'am said, no, you guys better stay outside. And then after that, entire group of my friends, they were fired upon me. And then I realized that, oh, I did a blunder. I shouldn't laugh like that.
You do always like this.
That's a great mistake. I always laugh at the wrong moments. Like basically every moment of my life is like that only.
But it's okay.
Now
So the last question, ultimately, how do you keep balancing between your academic life and YouTube career?
Like this is the most demandable question that everyone asks me, not only my fans but also my friends. So I need to really answer this. Like I'm not a god or anyone like that. My dog is running there.
I know you are scared of dogs. Just stand there. You don't need to run after them.
Okay, so answering this part is that my academic life, how I keep the balance between academic life and shoot life. Whenever I face that I'm running out of my shoot life, I just put my attention towards the shoot life and leave the academic part for some time, and vice versa for that. So you just need to keep balancing between the two. Doing multi-working is, I think, everyone does in today's time, so that's not a big thing. Just have your focus on in whichever thing you're doing at the present time, just focus on it. And if like I am shooting in front of the camera, then if back of the mind I'm having anything worrying about my academic life, like my submissions, my documentations, my clothes, my garments, stitching of it, and I cannot just do it because I'm in front of the camera, and anything wrong, my expression will just change and my work will just happen. So I just have to keep in mind that I cannot afford myself. Keeping that thing in mind, I think I have to be a little, you have to balance a little bit. That's it.
So yeah, bye.
So yeah, that was the end of the question Q&A part, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. And I honestly saying,
We basically enjoyed this.
yes, we enjoyed a lot basically, and she helped me today a lot. Thank you.
Yeah,
And
you're
also,
welcome.
guys, I am not able to answer all of your questions because there are even too many questions that is left to be answered. But I tried my level best. It's not possible for me to reply all of the questions. So I have selected some of your questions. Those I found important. I have answered those, and I hope that you guys like it. And if you guys want to see more of this kind of vlogs and Q&A, just comment down below under this video and let me know. So until the next time, bye.